Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Merritt, a small city in the heart of British Columbia's Nicola Valley. This area has long been home to the Nakapamuks and Sioux peoples, and later became a ranching and farming center in the late 1800s. The town was named in the early 1900s after William Hamilton Merritt III, a mining engineer and railway promoter who helped bring growth to the region. With its dry climate, rolling hills, and open landscapes, Merritt is known as the country music capital of Canada and has hosted many festivals over the years. Whether you're here for the music, the scenery, or just a quiet stop along the highway, Merritt has something special to offer. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Merritt, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.